Hey everyone, Lensman here, and welcome to another Factorio episode. Now I've set up a assembly machine here to make a rocket silo. So this is just going to collect up all the tons of items that it needs. The ultimate stack inserter is struggling to keep up. That's okay, so we'll get the one made and then we'll deconstruct it. It's just one way of adding everything to here. That's fine. Apparently... So rockets. What do we need to do to make a rocket? Acid rocket, electric rocket. Rocket body. Rocket engine. That's a Bob's Warfare. Because I'm not actually sure what rocket I need to make. That's the interesting one. Used to build and launch a rocket to win the game. Maybe we need to build this thing first and then it'll tell me what I need. Rocketing, yeah, so that's all Bob's Warfare. Rocket boosters. Alright, I'll let it build it. In the meantime, what do you need? What is it that you actually need to make one? 1,000 steel. 200. We've got that, we're just waiting on the electric engines. So I'm gonna cancel them out because all these things in the chest we don't actually need in the chest. I don't need any more than what we've got in here. What have we got? So you know what? There you go. Here goes nothing. I'm not sure what I need for this either, because I've never done it. Alright, we have this one. Let's grab our rocket silo, and it's huge. And then I'm going to say, you know what? There we go, things are getting picked up. That's alright. Let's head out down here. Well, we'll go out a little bit. So I don't know what I need for the rocket silo. Where are you hiding now? I don't know where I put it. Rocket. There it is. Alright, so it's a big unit. Plant him down. To make a rocket part requires rocket control units, low density structures, and rocket fuel. Okay. So it's going to need some power first as a start. Let's do that. There we go. It's got power. So now let's look into rocket control units. That'll be the first little thing to start up. Let's see what's required. Just plop him down there and go rocket control unit. Requires a speed module 1 and electronic logic board. That's not that bad. Okay, so you just need power and the ability to make it. Cool. What else do we need? Low density structure. I don't know if that's a crafting thing. Let's plop him down. Low. Yep, okay. Plastic bars, copper plates, steel plates. Fair enough. It's number 2. And the last one is rocket fuel. Okay. Rocket fuel. I'm guessing it's made, you can see that's made in a chemical plant. Okay, cool. Is that the only one? Alright, so let's get a chemical plant. I've probably got one. There's one. To make rocket fuel, we need rocket fuel capsules and rocket oxidizer capsules. I'm going to do that. Okay. Go back to rocket. Alright, so rocket fuel capsules are not made in this. Let's do this then. Rocket. Okay. The oxidizer capsule is made in a chemical plant with nitric and dinitrogen peroxide gas. And this is made in a chemical plant with dimethylhydrazine and hydrazine. I can see a huge rabbit hole we're just falling down. So I'm going to need some chemical plants. So it probably wouldn't hurt to make a couple if I haven't got them being made already. Got some stuff up here. Don't think it's chemical plants, so what are you making? Chemical furnace. It's fine. Let's make our chemical plants. Not that one. Okay. So you're going to be a chemical plant Mark 2, you're going to be a Mark 3, and you're going to be a Mark 4. They're all good. Yep. Very good. And all I'm doing here is just checking that there's no actual liquid or anything in it. So these will start crafting up. We'll get some chemical plants underway. We're then going to need to work out what it is that these gases are from. So it'll be all oil related, I'm guessing. So that being the case, making chemical plants here will be fine, but we're probably better off making it closer to the oil. So let's deconstruct you. Let's send chemical plant Mark 1 away and ask this to keep stocked at 10 chemical plant Mark 4s, and then let's head over towards the oil area, because I'm sure whatever it is we're going to need is going to be down here somewhere. I don't know what it looks like yet. We're going to need to work it out. Oops, still got my that's fine. Still got my tree cutter thing enabled. So let's grab a chemical plant and we're going to start working backwards. Yeah, we'll go this direction. So within this one here, we want the rocket fuel. Rocket. This guy. So we're going to need the rocket fuel capsule and the rocket oxidized capsule. So let's go that one. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to go rocket fuel capsule, rocket oxidizer capsule. Wherever they're hiding. Fuel, oxidizer. Okay. So we need hydrazine and dimethylhydrazine. Let's go to FNEI. Hydra. So normal hydrazine crafting. Is apparently green metal catalyst. Oop, back in a second. Alright, we are back. I need, where is it? Dimethylhydrazine. And whatever the other one was, hydrazine. It's here somewhere. I know it is. There it is. So green metal catalyst. And then this one just needs dimethylamine and monochloramine. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna move chemical plants to there. I can see this thing being this massive big array. Dimethylamine and let's do that one first. Dimethylamine is methylamine and methanol. Wow. So that's okay. That one also requires methanol. I think I've got methanol being made. Don't know if it's here, but I got a feeling somewhere in my system we have methanol. So let's just find that out. Methanol could be here somewhere. This would be quicker if I just that one. Yeah. Okay, so you need hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and green metal catalyst. So I need to get hydrogen. What's the best? I know I've got hydrogen floating around in the base. But what's the best way of getting hydrogen? Oxygen, hydrogen is just from purified water. Okay, we're getting hydrogen from our lithium processing. Maybe bring that down here. Let's run back. That should be this thing being done here. No, maybe it's the other lithium one. I've got another one up in here somewhere. Steam, naphtha. There, hydrogen. To a tank. And burning off if too much. So let's get rid of this one. And we will run our, get rid of this. Let's run our pipes out. About here somewhere. This could be bad. Oh, maybe not. It is bad. Hang on, that one's got nothing in it. Ooh, doing alright so far. Except I'm gonna have a problem there, so let's go. I want to line up with about here somewhere. Yep, so let's do that and then these pops are awesome. There's hydrogen right there. That's hilarious. Oh, stop looking, I found it. There we go. We've got hydrogen. And lots of it. So I need to get that over here. So we've got one. Wow. Helps if you look around, eh? So let's fix this one up and go like that and then bring it down. Okay, we got some hydrogen. So you need hydrogen. like so. And what else did you need? Carbon dioxide and then green metal catalyst. So let's get a requester chest and an inserter and ask for green metal catalyst. Alright. Yeah, we get some power to it eventually. Alright. It's getting green metal catalyst. So all we need now is carbon dioxide. Do I have carbon dioxide floating around here somewhere? Kind of wish I'd built things a lot different. And if I ever do another playthrough of got oxygen there. If I ever do another playthrough of Factorio, I will not put angels in, I think. Bobs is still cool. I do like bobs. I'm just not a fan of angels. Carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide's right here. Let's tee into that. Go. Right down below here. Okay. Close. Okay. And then we can bring it in like that. Oh, we've done our first chemical. It's making methanol. So this required methanol as well as that one there. So let's go out and up, and also at the same time down. Okay. So this is getting methanol, this is getting methanol, and we need ammonia. I want to say I've got ammonia somewhere. And I think it comes over to here. Yes, I do, look at that. Got ammonia right there. So let's tee off. And go this way. And we'll bring it down. To what? There, basically. Oh, I can't do this. I'm gonna have to come out a bit and then across. And that's probably not going to work very well. And that's the wrong place to go, because it needs to go up here. Oh, my derp. There we go. You are making methylamine from ammonia and methanol, and we're also getting a byproduct. That byproduct is what again? Purified water. I don't think I have any purified water in this area. Don't know if I need it for something else. This puts out water, this puts out water. But this is giving us a chemical we require. Ooh, that's not the button I need, that is the button I need. Awesome. Purified water is going to need to go somewhere. We're now producing dimethylamine. So you needed dimethylamine. And what do you need? Ammonia, monochloramine. So you need ammonia as well. can bring it down to you. Like that. Very good. Alright. So you have that. I still need monochloramine. So do you. That's cool. These two need the same thing. So we're going to put our chemical plant here. You're going to make monochloramine, which is sodium hypochlorite and ammonia gas. Okay. Cool. We've got another person requiring it there, or another machine requiring it. And then we need sodium hypochlorite. No, it's a material, so that one there. Crafting of sodium hypochlorite is sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas. So, that being the case, let's do our requester. Inserter. I'm going to say we want you to have this stuff, please. Let's get some power here. Okay. Power there too. So we need to make this stuff, and I can make it anywhere I like. And the reason I'm going to make it somewhere else is because of what it requires. Chlorine gas. I do have chlorine being manufactured, and I don't know where. Oh boy. I think it's up here. Hydrogen chloride. Chloride. So chlorine will be here. Okay, I've got some chlorine gas here. So to make this stuff, what's it made in? Chemical plant. Excellent. I can put a chemical plant there. You are going to make this. We're going to request sodium hydroxide, and you will insert it into there, and then we will get stuff out. Just a little bit of power. Awesome. Gonna limit that down. Very nice. Our system is completely backed up at the moment too, because we have too much zinc. So hopefully we don't run out of material, which we're going to, because look, you can see all the belts here are empty. I don't want to put another zinc chest in another silo. I have been toying with the idea of making a whole system where I have a requester silo for iron, and one for copper, and one for this, and one for that, and then setting it up so that if you look in here, for example, sorry, no, yeah, this one. So you've got this processed aluminium comes from aluminium ore, this comes from processed aluminium, etc, 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 and then having a system that has all of these, and then each item actually being put into a provider chest, so it can be used elsewhere. But using the machines we have, so these are all obviously our these things, all processing machines, make up a whole bunch of them. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You have 16 of them in a row, and they're all just making this. They're all requesting each of the ores. I don't think about chrome though. I don't know how to make chrome. But I think it'd be cool to have them all in like a line, and then they're all put into chests, and then you have another line of whatever the next one is. You're feeding all the chemicals and stuff in. I don't know, just to say that I did it more than anything. Alright, so this should now be getting the stuff. Yes, and we're getting ammonia gas. We've got monochloramine. And you need to go there, and there. You also need some power. You need green metal catalysts. It's okay. We can provide. I put that really in the wrong spot, didn't I? Yes, I put that in the wrong spot. There. You want green metal catalyst. Ah, and that's something I wouldn't have thought about. You are going to have that stuff. So let's put an active provider, I think. Getting rid of the empty ones. And I guess same here. And you want to pick up here. Is that the right one? Yes. Ammonia. Ammonia. Are we out of ammonia already? Oh, yes, we are. So something is not making ammonia for me. And I'm guessing it's up here somewhere. Here it is. Oh, it's an input. That's an input. Okay, where's ammonia being crafted? Is it being crafted in here? Is this an output? Yes, it's an output. Blue algae. Oh joy. So you can see I've got a bit of stuff to find. Need to find out where I'm making blue algae now. How's that made? That'll be in here. Sulfuric wastewater, carbon dioxide. Okay. Oh boy. Don't think there's any other way of making it, is there? And it's made in a algae processing unit. Oh, walking against the belt. There's brown. I don't know where I said blue. Oh, here's blue. Found it. And this will not be getting any sulfuric wastewater because all of my systems shut down. Oh, I love it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to put another chest in another one of these for the zinc. Here looks like a good spot. I don't have a normal one. I do have some that I'm crafting, so let's ask for silos. Can I have silos, please? There we go. Ah! Alright, we can put it here, I guess. In. Yeah. That's not going to work. Out. There we go. That'll kick things off again. Hopefully we'll start getting wastewater. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Hopefully things will kick off again and we'll get more ammonia. I don't know. Alright, I think I have dribbled on enough. Obviously you can see this is a huge process we're going to have to go through just to make these bits and pieces that we need. I'm going to need to run stuff out of here. What do you need? You need hydrazine, which is coming from here. Hydrazine needs the ammonium. So we're waiting on ammonia, and then we'll be making this stuff. And what else are you putting out? There's a byproduct here of what looks like chlorine. I'm putting chlorine in to take chlorine back out. Is that right? Oh no, I've got chlorine going up the top, don't I? That's interesting. I mean, for whatever reason, we're gonna do this. And nice and messily do that. It requires power. We've made our first item. That's awesome. I can now go like that. Give it some power. Hey, we've got one side of it done. I'll play around, I'll set up the other side. You can see how much work this is going to be making all these different bits and pieces. We have something working here. We're getting ammonia. We now have, I don't know, what is this? I reckon it's chlorine. Hydrogen chloride. Alright, maybe I can just canister that off somewhere and put it in a, I don't know, a tank. Hydrogen chloride. I'll find out what it's useful for. And next episode we'll continue on this. Where can we use it in? Hydrochloric acid, sodium chlorate, ferric chloride. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Chlorine and hydrogen. Could split it back out to chlorine and hydrogen, I guess. I don't know. I'll work it out. We'll get something happening with it. Thank you all for watching. Please leave comments in the section down below. We are getting close to the end. I may still go and do that thing I was talking about with all of the ore processing stuff and set up this huge array down here of all that. I've got the materials for it. System's back up and running. Things are moving. The zinc is a problem, and I don't want it to become a huge problem, but it's obviously going to be that Achilles heel for us with the amount of zinc that gets produced compared to what's used. Anyway, thank you for watching. As I said, comments below. I hope to see you next time. Bye now.